In today's video, I will teach you how to add realistic graffiti to objects in Gimp. Let's get started. Creating a graffiti effect in Gimp can add an edgy and urban vibe to your images. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to achieve this effect using Gimp's bump map filter. To start, we're going to prepare the font. Begin by downloading a graffiti font from a website like dafont.com. Once downloaded, extract the font files if necessary and install the font on your computer. Then open Gimp and load the wall texture photo by selecting File, then Open. Now, click on the text tool icon in the toolbox. Then choose the graffiti font. Set the desired font size and select a font color. Then click on the canvas and type the text that you want to turn into graffiti. Now we're going to add a stroke to the text. Make a selection around the text by going to Layer, Transparency, then Add to Selection. Then expand the selection by selecting Select, then Grow, then enter a value, for example 20 pixels. Then choose a color for the stroke, and create a new transparent layer, and drag it below the text layer. Then fill the selection with the chosen color. Now we're going to create a border for the graffiti. Expand the selection further by repeating the process of selecting Select, then Grow, but this time with a larger value of about 100 pixels. Then create another transparent layer above the brick wall layer. Use the gradient tool to apply a gradient to the expanded selection. Now we're going to merge the layers. Merge the text layer, stroke layer, and gradient layer into one by selecting the top layer, then going to Layer, then Merge Down. Repeat this process until the three layers are merged into one. Now we're going to apply the bump map filter. With the merged layer selected, go to Filters, Map, then Bump Map. Then choose the brick wall layer as the bump map option. Adjust the settings as needed to ensure the graffiti text follows the texture of the brick wall. Then click OK to apply the filter. If desired, you can further enhance the graffiti effect by adjusting the colors, contrast, and adding additional effects. And there you have it. You've successfully created a graffiti effect in Gimp using the bump map filter. Experiment with different fonts, textures, and settings to customize your graffiti creations and make them truly unique. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.